Welcome to Think a Bit, and I got a special deal for all you guys today. I worked out a special contract with Minty or Minted. Was it Minty? I call him Minty. You can call him Minted, whatever you guys want to call him. But if you guys want to get one of these gold miners, come on, man, that's the sexiest miner there is. There's no miner looking better than this one. This black one also looks nice. This black one might look better than the gold one. I don't know. If I was you, I'd buy one of each of them because I can't decide. But anyway, I worked out a special deal with them. I got a special contract. They gave me a heads up before they're going to drop. They're giving me a special link to give out to you guys so you guys would be the first ones to buy them. And all you have to do is join the Discord. Let me show you right here. All you have to do is join Think a Bit right here. We have people that know everything about anything. We have DeFi people, mining people, YouTube people. You want to win in your fantasy football league. We have fantasy football people. We have people that know everything about anything. Now let's go back to this miner. All you have to do, the link will be down below. Join the Discord, and here's the information. I'm going to share it with you guys now. Right here. More helium miners will be dropped by Minty or Minted on October 23rd. These will all be the US 915 version. So they're October 23rd. And as soon as I get the link, they give me the link to share with you guys, I'll post it in Discord. You guys can be one of the first ones to buy them. I mean, these miners are a deal because right now, I mean, you can get sense caps pretty easy, or I mean, that's the ones I've been able to get. But those are $638 with tax. I think these are MSRP. This gold one is like, dang, what's the price? I think I paid $480 last time for it, plus tax. And this one was like, I think $399. The black one was $399 plus tax. I'm pretty sure that's what I paid for it. I mean, I have like 5 of them sitting here, so I might do a giveaway for you guys. Depends on how many people join the Discord. If like 20 or 30 of you guys join and you weren't able to get one, I don't see how you won't be able to get one because I got a special contract with this company. But join the Discord October 23rd when it goes live. In the announcement, I'll show you what section you got to watch out for here. This announcement section, I'm going to post it. I'm going to post it in this announcement section, the link to buy them. So you guys just watch the announcement section, make sure notifications are on. And I'm pretty sure you guys all got miners anyway. Because look at this. 228,000 hotspots online. If you don't have a miner yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. But you can get one of these for sure October 23rd. Just join the Discord. Wait, look for the link in the announcement section. You're golden. You're golden just like this miner. And that's all I have for you guys today. And join the Discord. And you can learn anything about everything. That's it. Have a great day.